Constructing the Active Directory. From this lecture, you will be able to install the Active Directory, construct sites and subnets, create bulk user, add multiple users with CSV file. Hello. The essence of this session is installing Active Directory service in order to efficiently manage internal network resources of hrdkorea.com domain. Additionally, I will explain how to create multiple users in a comma-separate value files and to add them to the domain. The password to reset admin password in safe mode does not take plain text as an input, so prepare encrypted text beforehand. Install the first domain controller to the forest. However, we will not install DNS service, since it will be provided in mail.hrdkorea.kr server. Additionally, install the function level of the domain as Windows Server 2016. Add DHCP service to certified server list of Active Directory. Install dc2.hrdkorea.kr server as an additional domain controller. First, install Active Directory role. In safety mode, password to reset the admin password cannot be a plain text, so prepare encrypted text beforehand. Look into the network topology and create two sites. Add subnet to the created sites. Create a site link for a duplication and set the duplication interval to 15 minutes. For site duplication protocol, adopt the IP protocol. Move each domain controllers to the belonging sites. Create a bulk user for a test from the provided site. Add another attribute with Excel and save it as CSV. Write a partial script to import users. The parameter is the file containing the domain user. Extract the OU from the bulk user file and create OU in the domain. Create a security group with the same name as OU. Write an if statement since home folders and profile directories for each site's users are different. Run the partial script to add domain users. Duplicate CSV file to add users to /desktop of dc.hrdkorea.kr server. Write a partial script to import users. Check the added user list.